Kuya? What's Kuya doing? What's Kuya doing? Open. Init today. Mag-breakfast muna kami. Outside. Nandito kami sa may Sydney University. Kasi, oo, ma'am. So is this the whole university then?
And all the way back here, yeah. So we're heading towards the quadrangle, which is like the historical area. These buildings are quite new, obviously.
Ganda ng kahoy na yan. Purple na purple. Bulaklak. Wala siyang dahon, puro bulaklak. Up. Yep. Bumili kami ng pagkain ni Catriona. Yan, tinapay. Si D at Sed kumuha ng egg at saka yogurt. Hindi ko lang pangalan ng store na to. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
It's unboxing time.
Okay, what's up everyone? We went to the Apple store. Yeah.
Tapos lang kumain ng bata. Oh, alas 10 na dito. Baby, come here, dali. Magsasampay ako ng aking nilabhan. Oh, drink your water, dali, please. Drink your water, please. Dali na. Lagay lang yung tubig sa sahig. Oh. Drink your water. Dami yung... Parang may bigote. Dali na, drink ng water. Hindi ka magbata. After mama magsampay. Dali na. Good girl.